Instant Pot Pressure Cooker Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multicooker. This product review is Amazon Associate, commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Here's a complete product analysis of the Instant Pot Pressure Cooker Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker, breaking down its features, performance, ease of use, and value for money. Product overview. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is a multifunctional electric pressure cooker that builds on the popularity of the original Instant Pot Duo. It claims to replace 9 kitchen appliances, making it ideal for small kitchens, busy households, or anyone wanting to simplify cooking. Key features: 9-in-1 functionality. It combines pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, warmer, sterilizer, sous vide. This wide range gives users tremendous flexibility, reducing the need for multiple devices. Smart programs. Over 15 one-touch smart programs for foods like soup, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, and desserts. Includes upgraded programs for cakes, eggs, and sous vide, which weren't in earlier models. Large LCD display. Features a bright, intuitive control panel. Real-time feedback shows progress: preheating, cooking, keeping warm. 3 customizable temperature levels for sauté and slow cook modes. Improved lid and steam release. Easy Seal lid automatically seals when closed. New steam release switch makes it safer and quieter. Food-grade stainless steel, inner pot. 6-quart size, common version with no chemical coating. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean. Performance. Cooking speed and results. Pressure cooking dramatically cuts down cooking time, e.g. risotto in 7 minutes, beans in 25. Rice and yogurt functions deliver consistent results. Sous vide mode offers accurate temperature control, good for tender meats and veggies. Noise and smell. Operates relatively quietly. Smells from certain dishes can linger in the silicone ring, but this is common across models. Safety. Built-in 10+ safety mechanisms, including overheat protection, safety lock, and pressure control. Ease of use. Pros: beginner-friendly thanks to the smart programs and clear instructions. One-touch operation simplifies even complex dishes. Delayed start and keep warm options increase flexibility. Cons: initial setup and learning curve can be intimidating for tech-averse users. Not all features, e.g. sous vide, are intuitive without consulting the manual. Value for money. Price range: $99 to $139, depending on sales, version, and size. What you get: a versatile machine that replaces several appliances. Saves space and money in the long run. Backed by a large community, tons of recipes, and online support. Compared to competitors, cheaper than buying each appliance separately. More reliable and better supported than generic multi-cookers. The Duo Plus offers more features than the base Instant Pot Duo, making it a better long-term investment. Conclusion: the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker is a versatile, powerful, and cost-effective appliance. It's ideal for beginners and seasoned cooks alike, offering reliable performance with convenience. While there's a bit of a learning curve for some functions, the payoff is significant in terms of time saved, counter space freed up, and meals improved.